Ooh, what up guys, Triple Strike here. Today, we're at the Triple Strike here because I changed my YouTube channel to Triple Strike. Now everybody know I changed it back. I tried, I can't change it back. So, today I got, after this boat right here, you don't know about this, but my cousin, my insane girl, gonna be really oppressed. I forget about this. He has Just Cause 3. He's gonna be so oppressed. All you do on this, only open the bridge on the front of that. You push R1 to open it, and R1 to close it. Again, same button to close it. And you can put any vehicle in here, like I'm about to do. I might, so get a vehicle. You can put any vehicle in here. Any vehicle. Like tanks. I don't know about monster truck. I don't steal a car, I'm gonna steal this truck. Sorry, woman. I steal it. I can live straight. After this, I want to show y'all the plane thing. I got. You can put any vehicle in here if you want. I don't know about monster truck. I don't think that's that heavy to hold it, move it. Why not? You can put a vehicle in here. If I were you, if you wanted to move, just grab a hook it to the boat. That's what I would do. To make it stop move, don't move, wiggle around, don't blow the thing. Well, you know, you get my drift. You get my drift. If you some people you don't know, I get my drift. It might blow up or crash or make it smoke and you get on fire or whatever. Then you close the gate. And you can just drive it, you can just take it everywhere you want. Now I'm going to show you the plane, the giant plane, and show that part. And I'll blow this one up. I'm kidding. I don't know. Here I am. This place. I mean, I got the fast, so I use fast travel. What am I doing here? Okay, rebel drop. I want to show you what plane we're talking about. It's this plane. And I'll show you what you're supposed to do. Here we are in the plane. I turned it, it was sideways, like facing that way. And you hold triangle. First you gotta do landing. Here's another thing, the first I invented. The first one, when I first made a video, when I first made it, but whatever. And you push this, and voila, it goes like the faster than the other one. Now let's get a car. But I don't know what car I should get. Well, this is darn cool. So let's get this. Boom! My favorite color besides green. Gold, and I don't like green. And we're gonna put it in here. Ooh, I got hurt. I might turn it backwards. If I can. Nope, I can't. Just a minute. Here we are. There we go. Really? Hang on. Oh, I didn't mess it up. Okay. And if I were you, I would just put it. Make it sure not move. I would do that if I were y'all. You. We won't mess up the plane like the same thing with boats. I might try to do it differently. Outside the boat. I might close the gate on this part. So let's go. You can, if you push it again, it'll close the gate. It'll close it like that. Boom. It'll close the gate. Voila. And you go back in here in this doorway, and you're back in the plane. And voila, you're in the plane. And thank you for watching. Comment below what I should do. And remember, I'll triple strike you later.